Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you cities and how to remove watch links. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To remove your links from a citizen watch band, what you need to do first is lay the watch on a soft surface. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratching the watch or damaging it. Then look at the links of your watch band. You should see tiny pins holding the links together. These pins usually run in one direction and you will want to remove them by pushing them in the correct direction. Then use a pin pusher tool to push out the pins. Then place the tool over the pin you wish to remove. Then gently tap it with a small hammer to push the pin out. Then if you don't have a pin pusher tool, you can use a small nail or push pin as an alternative as well. Then once the pin is partially pushed out, use needle nose pliers to grab a pin and fully pull it out. Be careful to avoid damaging the pin as it is quite small. After the pin is removed, you can take the desired number of links. Then if you only need to make the band slightly smaller, remove the necessary number of links from both sides to maintain symmetry. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.